Welcome to yet another video. In the previous video, I mentioned that I'm gonna be on the lookout for a new car, or rather a sibling to the car that I currently have. Welcome to another video. Today we're visiting We Buy Cars in Germiston. This is where I have managed to narrow down all the potentials. And I'm saying the potentials because all the cars that I've managed to find are actually all my favorites. See, if money wasn't the issue, every car that you're gonna see in today's video is the car that I want. Starting with these two beauties, the Jaguar F-Type with the red top. That soft top is to die for. On the left or your right, it's the Porsche Cayman S. But the Porsche comes in at a higher price point compared to the Jag. So I don't know. If I were to choose between these two, I think I would go for the Jag. It has always been my ultimate favorite. And another reason is because that Porsche Cayman comes in at the higher price point compared to 397,900 of the Jag, which is also priced to go, as you can see on your screen. The Porsche, I think, comes in at 600,000 rands, and the Porsche has been upgraded so many times before, because this model here, it's actually an older model. It's a 2013 model, and it's a bit more expensive compared to that Jag. And I think the Jag is also more masculine, but my all-time favorite, the Audi A3, and this one actually being the latest model makes more financial sense. And the fact that it's also a four-seater, a sedan, I mean, it's more practical compared to the other two. The price also, I mean, the car has also only done 17,000 Ks at that price point. I wonder why the previous owner actually sold it. I mean, the car is beautiful. That blue color, the panoramic roof. This car is actually, if I were to say top of the list, next to it there is that 4 Series BMW. I don't know, I'm actually not a Beamer guy, but I don't know, the car is only done 42,000 Ks anyway. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you were to choose between the Beamer, the 4 Series 420i, and that Audi 35 TFSI, which one would you go for, considering the price is it's a bit similar? Anyway, there is a Mac, the Coupe. This is actually the previous model, but it's still the head turner of a car, if you will. It has everything that you would tick if you were to tick options. I mean, that panoramic roof, those Macs, and also this one, it's a diesel C200D. These cars are known to be actually very fuel efficient, and the price isn't so bad. The interior, I'm not sure about the color, but there's a big did right in front of it, the E-Class. It's also a coupe. I don't know, I'm a coupe guy. I know Mozi would say you don't have any business buying a coupe if it's not a sport car. It is what it is. This one, it actually has a platinum sticker, sorry. But which one of the two would you buy? Would it be the C-Class, the C200D, or the E-Class? I don't know. Let me know once again in the comment section below, but I know what I would go for. The AMG A45S, unfortunately it's been sold. I don't even know what price was or how it was priced, but it's in immaculate condition. Look at those Macs, sporty, aggressive, and also the color is also as beautiful because now everything just stands out. The mags, the red painted clippers, the boot spoiler, everything. The car is it's just beautiful. Congratulations to whoever bought it. Damn it. Let's just take a moment to enjoy this. Immerse. On the other hand, if you're a Beamer guy, there's a new TI in town. For just 489k, you can get yourself this one. Yes, the mags are a bit capped, but the car is still fairly new. It is from Devon, so if you don't mind corrosion, rust, and everything from this year, maybe this is the car you. I think I would also consider this car actually with that double panoramic sunroof. It's a TI. The car is intended to compete with the likes of your Golf GTI, Golf 8 GTI, NNN. I don't know. I don't know what BM was thinking, but yeah, I guess if you're not a VW guy or a Mac guy, Audi, this is the car you would go for. But for some of us, there is a new sheriff in town, the Golf 8R and the Golf 8 GTI. Unfortunately, though, the R was sold. Actually, the owner collected the car while I was there. Yeah, it was beautiful to watch. Even the Golf 8 GTI is also sold, I think. Most of these cars actually sold, especially the GTIs. As you can see that line up there, I think out of the 6 that are lined up, I think 4 was sold and only 2 were still for sale. What do you choose between the GTI and the R? The Golf R was priced at 900 and odd thousand rands, whereas the GTI was priced at 600 and odd thousand rand. I think I would actually go for the GTI. It makes more business sense. At the end of the day, it's the same car, just different powertrain. And then there is a Polo, but those Polos are expensive. My goodness, I mean, a Polo GTI nowadays would set you back over 400k, and we're talking used. I don't know. What else do you buy for 400k? 400,000k. What do you get? Brand new. Is this where the Chinese brands come in? Your Havals, your Cherry, and what has happened to the hatchback market? Why are these cars so expensive now? If anyone knows, please let us know in the comment section below. I mean, cars are ridiculously expensive. I remember when we bought the current car, the Polo, it was 250k. And now if you look in the market now, same car is going for 300k, and then you're like, what the hell? But I must really say though, the new Polos are beautiful. Look at this R model. It's beautiful. Yes, it's been reserved, but this one also looks like it's been lowered. Why would you do that? I don't know. What do you buy? Fake tailpipe Polo R line or GTI or just a normal TSI? I don't know. How much would it cost you to spec your TSI to the GTI level? And what do you guys think of this Toyota Yaris GR? I think it's a very strong contender. Why? Because it's one of those collector's items one needs to have. And I do believe in future this car would actually hold its value very well. It's one of those cars you'd look back to and be like, only if I managed to get myself one of those. I mean, take a look at this thing. It's aggressive, it's angry, it looks beautiful. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give your comment, and I'll be sure to reply to each and every one of those. Till we meet again, signing out. Bye.